Making chocolate chips and whipped cream.
Okay. This tastes
Step
like
1.
jizz.
Place the chocolate chips on the plate.
Step 2. Kayla.
Step 2. The whipped cream. Whip. Can I see it?
Whippy.
Are you ready?
No, I want to whip it. I want to whip it.
You can whip yours.
Okay.
Hold it. Okay. Ready? Here we go. I have no idea where the chocolate chip is placed.
Is it going?
Huh.
Do you have a clip?
Alright. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Wait, whoever gets the first one? Is that how it goes?
Alright, ready?
Set,
go.
Got it.
Smile pretty. Wait. Where is it?
I got mine.
Oh, I
I'm
got
right
it.
here. Hi. Got mine.
I got
Got whipped cream on my shoes. It's on my eyelash.
Tara.
Oh, I couldn't contain myself. Oh, look.
She totally cheated. Look at mine compared to yours.
I'm delicious.
It's
We're not psychotic. What are you talking about?
It's dripping off of me. It's dripping. It's Look at the floor. Dripping. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.